If they didn't tell you broken links can really affect Google AdSense on your blog, then this is what you must know now. Now, on Google AdSense, sometimes low valid content is due to dead links or broken links that are found on your blog. So if you don't know if you have dead links or broken links on your blog, the first thing you need to do is, one, I want you to visit a website called deadlinkschecker.com. Once you're on deadlinkschecker.com, I want you to input your website, that is the website that you have been running, or the blog that you are running, or the blog you are trying to apply for Google AdSense with. Then I want you to click on the whole page of it and then click on check. Now enter the code that has been provided to you by this website. So once you have entered the code and then click on enter, this tool here or this website here is going to go through your website and then or your blog, and it's going to locate or fish out broken links that are found on your blog. So if it goes through all your blog and then scans all your blog, scans all those emails on those URLs on your blog from 61% all the way to 100%, and you are getting something like this. Now over here says 100 scanned, 1,105 out of 1,105 URLs were checked, and 1,000 and I think 1,099 are okay. 6 of them fail. Now if you come on to this side and you are seeing something like 404, 404, the 404 means those links are dead. So you would have to look for those links on your blog, edit those links or remove those links from your blog, because those links are also part of the links. They are also locations or paths on your blog that are preventing you from getting Google AdSense. That is why Google is always saying you are getting low valued content or you're having low valued content. So make sure those 404 pages you are seeing from this results, in case you get 404 from this result. So try it now, just try it now. If you see this 404, try and make sure and remove all those links from your blog post. You'll be lucky this tool will even tell you where those links are even located, so you'll be able to remove them or fish them out from your blog easily. Thank you for watching and continue to subscribe, because I have more tips here for you.